Okay, William, I'm gonna pop these off before do these quick, right before I go to bed. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. One of the things you want to be really comfortable with is algebraic manipulation. I mean, when I say good at algebraic manipulation and see patterns, I can get up at probably 3 o'clock in the morning and do this if somebody was saying, you know, almost like the house is on fire, do these math problems before you go out. You probably don't want to do it in that situation because that's really urgent. But if you came and woke me up and said, sir, do these math problems, I'd be pretty pissed, but I could do them. And it would tell you I might not be fully awake, but I have the confidence to be able to see it and do it. But this is only something you get after you've put 10,000 hours into doing something. Now, this is an entirely different thing from like writing a proof, right? I'm not good with proofs, right? The two people that can write proofs probably very well at school are Miss Sanchez and myself. And of the two of us, Miss Sanchez is even the better pro at writing proofs. I go to her to have my work edited if it comes to proofs, but we don't even deal with proofs very much. Okay, not in SL at least. Um, but these are sort of things where this is algebra that I can you really feel comfortable with, and it's just something you'll see, right? But always just have in mind to do this the way I visualize it. I always have this idea in mind: a squared plus ab, even not 2ab plus b squared, because I just want to factor that stupid thing, which is just FOIL. That's it. It's all this is the entire game I'm going to play with these three problems. So there it is. That's my A. So that's, I'm going to just say let A equal 2 to the x. So that's a squared minus a minus 2. Now I'm going to factor that beast. That's not even a beast. That's a little kitten. Here, here, and then I just need to find two numbers that multiply to give me 2, and then when added, give me negative a. And I'm just thinking -1, right? In that sense, because it's a 1 there. So it's just two things added together. Because you're going to have, when you do this, it's a times this, which is likely going to be a 2. So you know it's and then add one here. So if this was -2 and I add 1, well then I get negative a, right? So because I get 2, so what I'm saying here is, you'll see I already can see it right there. So -2 is here plus 1, because these two multiply, give me -2. Add them, I get -1. There's my negative, because I get in the middle term, it's this one multiplied by that and this that create this. So this term is going to be my minus 2a, and this term is just my a. I have to add those two, so minus 2a plus a. That's going to give me minus a. Ha! That's exactly what I want. I'm done. Finished. Next. Same game. Absolutely carbon copy, same game, except a is going to be 3 to the x. So I'm just going to go bracket, 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 bracket. This is my a. All I'm concerned with is that -6. So if there's negative in front here, well, one's going to be positive, one's going to be negative. Notice there's this one I can think of as positive a, right? Just a. So +1. Well, when I do that, what's the factors of 6? 3 and 2 will do that trick for me. So if I say I have +3 minus 2, there it is, done. Multiply those two, I get -6. 3a minus 2a. Well, so 3a minus 2a. Oh, look at that. That's going to give me a. Bingo. There it is. My a here is just 3 to the x. They're the same thing, because I can say let a, oops, let a equal 3 to the x. Done. This one, oh, it's disguised itself a little bit. Nice, sweet. So I have to think a little bit here. So this, I could easily write 4, which is 2 to the 2, right? So I know what this thing, uncover that little beast. Well, I can unmask you. Sure, there you go. So I'd have this times 2 to the x plus 12. This, reverse them. Because you can, it's a product. It doesn't matter which order. Like they're A times B is equal to B times A. They commute. They don't, it does not matter. So this again can be said to be that minus 7 to x plus 12. Now what I can do is this, boom, boom, right? This then becomes, well, here's my A. Now this is 12. I need a factors. I know that make 12 is 4 and 3. Negative 7. Hey, if they were both negative, they would be, add them together. So multiply them, I get positive 12. Add them, I get negative. Great, that looks perfect to me. So minus 3, minus 4. So that's just going to give me minus 4a. These two are going to give me my minus 3a, and there we go, minus 7a. I'm done. So that's correct. Boom, boom, boom. That's it. That's how you do them. So I have them factored. There's your answers. Hopefully that gives you an idea of how to factor those. But you can see it's that same pattern. This to this, done.